Hey, what's up guys, back again with another amazing YouTube video. So right now I'm at the RCG headquarters, as you can see. A little bit closer, man. Come up the license. For all those who says RCG market is not regulated, come look at this right here. It shows RCG market is fully licensed and regulated. I mean, you know, the headquarters is literally in the heart of Sandton Richards Square Mile, Africa's Richards Square Mile, sorry. But yeah, right here. But actually we're about to jump into an amazing analysis right now. Got a breakdown that I've kind of set up already in the boardroom. It's the boardroom I'm gonna be using. So yeah, come on inside. Let's go. Let's chop. Let's chop. Let's close this door right here. So just close the other door. So right here is in the boardroom. I'm gonna be breaking down the market with you, man. So I've got my laptop up open. You know what I mean? You gotta drink the money water, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put this on. Just get the TV on, you know? Let's get the TV on. Let's get that on the overhead right there. Let's do that. There we go. So I'm gonna be talking about a few stuff today. As you can see right here, I don't know, let me just, is it visible properly there? Zoom in. Zoom in a bit, just give it a bit more. Just like this, yeah. Zoom in a bit. But yeah, it's like that. So right here, as you can see, as I'm gonna go up to the screen. So as you can see right here, all we have is where's my mouse? Let me just check if my mouse is here. Did I actually take it? Okay. My mouse is here, so yeah. Even better. So right here, as you can see, we got, so I've got this is gold, right? It's gold. So I've kind of like only analyzed the current price. Now I don't want to go too far back. So as you can see, gold has been moving up really consistently, as you can see right there. And I like to keep my analysis quite plain, quite simple. So what I've done here is just highlighted all the lows, all the buy areas that were there. That's the buy area. That's the buy area there. All these lows that are actually quite powerful. As the market was going up, obviously what you wanted to prioritize during this price as it was moving up, it's just your buy positions, you know. Obviously your sells are definitely like really strong as they drop, coming back to retest on that previous low right there. As you can see, the market went up, came back, to come back and sit on that low there. That's the zone you're bought again, you know. So the more consistent trades here will be your buys, like your long-term buys and short sells, you know. So I've got these sorry about that. Okay, so I've got these sell entries that I've actually kind of highlighted that shows the market dropping from here to here. Just all these short sells that actually are clear, that they are quite dangerous trades, especially if you're trading against the trend. But the most important thing is just kind of identify, not kind of, but to actually be able to identify your comfortable positions, which would be your buy. Even on the low there, as you can see, you could have easily just bought on the bottom there, bought here. Let's give it some time. Bought right there again. So yeah, I mean, price just kept going up. But right now what we're looking at is that gold looks like it wants to drop, it wants to turn down. So it did come up here and gave us like a triple top right there, and it showed us, you can say, or a very strong rejection on the high. So let me just get onto my laptop. So just focus onto the screen, get onto my laptop. And I'm going to be highlighting exactly why gold is showing a possibility of turning. So I don't think it's ideally turning, but it is giving us a really strong consolidation area right there on that high. So what I want to do is just zoom into that, just like this, as you guys can see that high right there. What time frame is this? This is just do this. Let's see. Let's just say 30 minutes. Let me look over 30. So what I'm doing here now is that I want to focus on the current price and exactly what is going on with gold. As you can see, we've seen that gold has been moving up quite aggressively, but most recently, let me just remove the analysis. So most recently, that gold has been low-key rejecting its buy price, right? So the question is gold changing direction? Is gold dropping? Is gold dropping? Let's say 4 hours would be how many minutes? What's 4 hours? 60 times 4, 120. So it would be 2. So more of like, okay, let's remove that. So as you can see, this is the 1 hour chart. So as I'm going to 1 hour, you can see that price had been traveling up. As I zoom out of there, you can see right there that price had been going up for the longest time. I think from about this low here, price has been going up ever since, you know. So we definitely are confident about these buys. And if ever the price has to change direction, it honestly has to come back down to about this area here. So I'm not too confident in terms of whether will the price drop right now, but let's analyze and let's see exactly what we're looking at. So as you can see, the market was going up. So as you can see, the market was going up. So I want to break down exactly how did. So as you can see, price went up right here, and then as it came back down, it kept resisting, and then eventually failed to go above and ended up breaking this low. So the low I'm talking about. So the market was initially supposed to just come back here, you know, just come back and just do this. The market was just supposed to come back here and then sit on the price and then go back up. But as you can see, price actually broke this area and then came back, broke it and then came back up again and set on it right there, giving it a new high for obviously a very sharp sell position. But as you can see now, as a current price, the market now is now pushing back again, attempting to actually break back into that price and continue going up. But will the price actually break? Will the market actually break and change direction? Will the price actually break and change direction and start going up? We have to actually monitor a bit more. As you can see, what happened here is that the price, instead of respecting this previous low, it actually broke it with the previous candlestick. They just opened, not the current one. The current one is actually a doji, looks like so much close where it's at. But the previous candle on 1 hour actually broke that. So it is giving us more confidence to be like, okay, there is a possibility of a continuation continuation on the buy right there. But the confidence is not that high because we need to analyze a bit more. So as I pull the trend line from the highest point that I see on this price right here, and you allow the trend line to touch about 3 times, your first touch would be here, second touch would be right here, your third touch is current price. So if to confirm a possible buy positions for gold going forward, I would have to wait for this price to break this trend line and then come back and sit on it. So let me show you what exactly I would be expecting. My tools. I need more tools. I need to get these. Yeah. Let's do this. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. Anyway, so what we're expecting now is for price. Either the price must break here. Just press that. So either price will definitely do this, break here, come back in and sit around that area there. Why am I saying that place? Because that would be the previous low to the current high. So the price has to break, come sit in there, then come back down, then come back down and actually retest on this area here. Right after retesting, what it has to do for us to see a potential buy is definitely push and break price overall. So that's what we're looking at with gold. If there's the possibility of if the market continues to actually break the buy price as it's currently breaking right now. However, if it does not break the price going upwards, what it will do is that it will not move any higher from here. From here, it will just bounce off here. This would be our current sell entry point. And then from here, what we would expect is that the graph will then drop from right there, from the previous low, giving a new high. From right there, then it will go in and break previous price. So it will be something like this. So if the price decides to, just give you that. So if the price doesn't go up, it will come down like this. And then as it comes down, it will come down to actually come and break this low, right? It will come and break this low and then come back again after breaking it and then come and sit on it and retest right on there, giving us a new high, right on the previous low there. So making a new high on the previous low, and we see price continue to go down. So those are the two possibilities that we're looking at right now. So as you can see, to explain it again, it's like this. So price, as you can see, I placed my trend line there, giving me sufficient touches. So making sure the trend line does not cut into the body. Just give us a moment. Does not cut into the body of the candlesticks. All right. Oh damn. Okay, it's twitching a lot. doesn't cut into the body of the candlesticks, giving out about a minimum of 3 touches. So you see my first touch is around 1, 2, 3 there. So the price breaks this low here, comes back, definitely it will come back. I don't know what's up with the HDMI. Come back, touch here, and then eventually drop, you know. So I think let me just try to fix the connection of this HDMI. Yeah, I think it should be fine. So yeah, man, that's what I'm seeing for the price of gold. So still high possibility. I mean, if I go a bit deeper, what I can do is take a trend line, take it from this low, push it right across. I don't want to cut into the body, so I'm looking for about a minimum of 3 touches. So as you can see, I've got 1, 2. I'm waiting for the third one. So the third touch will only come if the price decides it will not break the upper trend line, and then it actually goes down. So what I've done here is actually I've cornered the market. So I've put the market in a corner. So one thing that always has to happen is that the graph either has to go up or down. So I put the market into a corner, whereas if it breaks this trend line, we'll go for buy. If it breaks the low trend line, we'll go for a sell. Obviously with this sell, wait for the market to break. It will come back and retest right on this high here. Then we drop and follow the price as highlighted, you know. So that's just one of those stuff that way you are able to actually maneuver through your trades and understand exactly what you need to do on the charts whenever you want to actually have a market breakdown, you know. So you know, so that is the end of our slide, market breakdown, and how to understand or how to read the market when it comes to it changing directions or changing patterns, or what actually to expect next, you know. And I know you guys have been asking about beginner videos. I am gonna obviously shoot those. So since I came to the office today, I decided why not just utilize the boardroom and actually share some skill here and there, you know. So I hope you guys actually are learning a lot from the videos that I'm actually sharing. Don't forget to go watch the previous video where I shot trading with Bandile. I was at his house, in his office, was shopping hard like crazy as well. So yeah, man, at the end of the day, it's just about being a really good trader, sharpening your skill and getting your skills and your knowledge to a point where you're able to just see through a naked chart like myself, you know. So it does take skill, and yeah, just give more time. I think about 30 minutes a day to actually just educate yourself and learn more about trading. You will definitely get sharper as time goes. So yeah, thank you a lot, appreciate it. So we'll meet again on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. From leadership, let's go.